You don't need to trade with charts. You can trade like I do using just math. My wife and I trade over 30,000 zero DTE trades every single year. We trade all kinds of stocks and we only use math. We don't use charts. We don't listen to analysts. We don't look at the performance by the companies. We don't listen to Trump. We don't care about any of that stuff. We just care about the math. Let me show you our results over the last 4 months, and you'll see. I'm going to show you our $1 million account with real trades, with real money. I'm going to show you a $30,000 challenge, which we do 6 trades a day for people with smaller accounts. Again, using real money, real trades. Let's take a look at the results. First of all, we use Options Omega to produce these. Here are the results for today, February 2nd, 2026. We made 206 trades today. We made $7,904 in the $1 million account. In the $30,000 account, we did 32 trades. We made $416. You're going to ask me, how did we do over the last 4 months? And I'll tell you, here's how we did over the last 4 months, not counting today. We did a profit of $319,601. We did 11,500 trades. We had a capture rate of 10%, selling about $3,000 worth of premium. These are multiple entry iron condors and exponential moving averages. We explain all of that in our channel. It's all 100% free. My wife and I do a show every single day at 3:30, from 3:30 to 4:15. You'll see us putting on real trades in real time. We always put on trades at 3:51, and we always put on hundreds of trades every single day. You'll see our profit and loss in real time. In addition, nobody does this on the internet. Nobody. Sunday, 6:30 p.m., we will give you all, well, not all, but most of our trades that we're going to be putting on for the whole week. We'll give you all the trades for the $30,000 account, the 6 trades a day challenge. We'll give you all the trades a week in advance. In advance on Sundays, you can see the trades we're going to put on for the week. Then you can follow us at 3:30 to 4:15, Monday through Friday. You can see those trades. You can see our results. We're also going to give you 20 of the 200 or so trades that we're going to put on in the big account. We've got to hold back something for ourselves, but we'll give you 20 of them. And more importantly, we'll explain to you how you can do it yourself, how you can figure this stuff out yourself. It's all free. So let's go ahead and take a look at the small account, the $30,000 account. Here we made $9,835. We sold premium of 184, had a capture rate of 5.3 because these are a lot smaller wing width on these. And again, it's all explained on our channel. And we'll explain it every Sunday night as well. And we've made only 2,091 trades since October 1st in this particular account. But $30,000 account plus adds up $400 we made today. It puts us over $10,000. That's 33% in 4 months. That's about 99% rate of return. In the bigger account, it's actually not quite as good. In this account, what do we make? $8,000 today. So that puts us at $327,000. So 32.7% times 3 months puts us at right around 98% rate of return, something like that. If you're interested in how we do it, and if you're interested in following along, purely for entertainment purposes, don't follow us. It's not financial advice, but we hope to see you on our channel, and it would be great if you could subscribe and like our videos. You have a great trading day. See ya 3:30 every single night, Monday through Friday, and Sunday, 6:30 p.m.